In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload images in Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Roblox for. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up Roblox, and then you can even open up the browser version as well, but we'll just open up the application. Then press the three little dots in the bottom left where it says more, and I'm going to see a lot here, but I want to go ahead and click create, like so. I'm then going to be brought over to the Roblox Creator Hub. What I want to do now is go over to Creations, then go over to Development Items, and I'm going to see a lot of different things, but I can just go to Decals like so. And then all I want to go ahead and do, if I don't want decals, I can just go over to Images, and then it says they can upload through decals. So what I want to do is upload asset. Then I'm going to press upload right here, and then I can upload anything I want. So let's say I want to upload this image right here. I can change the name of it, change it to whatever I want, and then all I want to do is just click upload right here, and then I'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.